A pain that never goes away, the loss of a child.
I'm not the first mother to hear that my child has cancer, and I won't be the last.
For Monty Steele, she's surviving thanks to a death doula.
If it wasn't for Karen, I would be with Braden.
Her son Braden was diagnosed with aggressive stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma on Mother's Day.
It's been my honor, and I will always be his mom.
A mother's pride, she calls him kind, talented, a musician, and a construction worker. Steele turned to a death doula to help navigate her son's death.
More than anything, making Braden feel comfortable. Karen provided not just the gap that was completely missing, but the emotional part.
Currently, death doulas aren't covered under BC's Medical Services Plan. In a written statement, the Ministry of Health says it is not currently considering covering death doulas, and MSP covers the cost of medically necessary insured doctor services.
And if it's not, it should be subsidized.
2 BC death doulas are calling for their services to be covered.
Because we believe that this service, non-medical service, is a benefit to palliative services, to medical services.
Our healthcare systems provide a lot of significant, valuable support and resource, but they're taxed. And so what happens is there isn't the time to deal with the emotional, right, and holistic elements that both patients and their families need.
Acting as a middle person between hospital staff and the family.
There have been occasions where I have helped to mediate conversation with healthcare teams, so bringing healthcare teams and family together.
Filling the gaps and taking on the emotional side of death.
How do we fill those in a way that really holistically takes care of the emotions of the people?
For Steele, having a death doula was essential.
There was no fear in my heart. I knew I wasn't alone.
She was able to have her son die at home in her arms, fulfilling their final wish.
I'm allowed to say it. It was a good death.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes.
Alana Kelly, Glacier Media, Vancouver.